Okay, in this lesson, I'd like to show you how you can format certain cells without having to highlight all of them and try to do that, because those are all different. Some of them are dollars, some of them are percentages, so you don't want to format them all in the same way. It would all look really bad. So let's go ahead and first of all, let's just choose the dollars. So naturally the loan amount is dollars. And then what would you look? Payment period? No. Number of periods? No. Payment per period? Yes. So what would you do to highlight this one and this one? Hold the control button down on your keyboard. Hold it down. Then click that number. Then you see another one. Principal amount. That's one too. Hold the control button down again and hold it. And then hold it again and choose the interest amount. You see? Now what you're going to do is you can make sure that when you right click to choose the format cells, you choose in the gray area, one of them. It doesn't matter which gray area, but make sure that the cross is in the gray area when you right click it. You right click it and then you choose format cells. And then what you'll do is choose currency. Once you've chosen currency, you say OK. You see? Now just those are formatted for dollars. That's how you can choose individual random picking cells to format individually.